There's a man running down the street. Wait. He's just going for an evening jog. Hey, that car just ran a red light. Wait, scratch that. It's just an unmarked police car. There's nothing interesting going on today. Hey, do you hear that alarm? Let's check it out. It's coming from over... Nothing passes the time quite like fighting some bad guys. Though you know what's... Nothing passes the time quite like fighting some bad guys. Though you know what's kind of fun? Origami. It's very relaxing. Right, let's check the scanner.
Attention all units. Armed intruder at the Queens County Courthouse. Suspect is holding Judge Chickson hostage. Please proceed with caution.
So, this one time, I may have accidentally sort of used my powers in school. But it's only a reflex kind of thing. Well, I guess everything's a reflex when you're dealing with Flash Thompson. Yeah, the future valedictorian of swirlies and locker knockers.